with our weekly update.
First of all, I'm going to show you some of our other stuff in the garden. We got some yellow flowers. And some pink ones. And some lovely red ones. We got some more red ones. And look at all the blue bits on this tree. Blue's my favourite colour. Let's go see how the seeds are doing. Okay, so we've got some shoots coming through here. And some little ones here. And some here. So that's some strawberries and courgettes coming through. And some tiny bits on the peppers. Unfortunately, you had to take the rosemary out. We got some basil going through. And look at the lettuce! And look at these sunflowers! Let's measure it. It's nearly 5 inches tall. We'll just water these now. Don't forget to come back next week to see how they're doing. Don't forget to like, subscribe and click that little bell. Hope to see you again soon. Bye!